everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the things which I happen to love during the past month, and I have made a compilation of all these products, be it beauty, fashion or things other. And let's begin the video because it's going to be really interesting and helpful. First up, I'm going to talk about some skincare. So this is the Next Duo. Today I'm wearing a sleeveless top just to make sure that I can show you how these two products have affected positively to my skin. So I suddenly had started developing this pigmentation on my arms, and there is still a lot of pigmentation left because it's curing. So I use this particular product to clean it all out. I also use it at the nape of my neck because that's also darkening due to tanning or due to, I don't know, for hormonal changes or what, but that is darkening. And if you are also facing the same problem, you can definitely go and try this particular product because this is solving out slowly and steadily. I apply it every night and before going to bed. I don't rest it out as soon as I apply it, otherwise bedsheet में लग जाएगा सारा product. थोड़ी देर लगाने के बाद rest it out, घूमो फिरो whatever, and then go to sleep. So I highly recommend this. Do not apply it at daytime because it has actives. It might harmfully affect your skin in a bad way. So always use it at night. Read all the directions on the box of this. It comes in a tube packaging, white in color, very lightly fragrant, and it's quite effective. I can see my pigmentation, which was full over here, is now slowly removing because of this product. This is the next product I want to talk about. This is a body wash which has properties to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. So by exfoliation, it can also lead to removal of tan, removal of pigmentation, because this has lactic acid, it has salicylic acid and vitamin E. So together they blend and make this product, and it's quite useful when I use it after my vacation. I definitely wear sunscreens. Coming on that next, and this is again a good product. You have to religiously use it for a few months to know how it's effectful, and I really like it. I highly recommend it if you are looking for something which is exfoliating yet hydrating and cleansing also. So this is a good one. This is by the brand called Chemist at Play. Talking about sunscreen, this guys is my current favorite. This one is by Foxtail and this has SPF 70. So when you are traveling or when you are for the whole day in the sun, or for some reason you are outdoors, you cannot avoid it, you have to count on this product because this has the widest spectrum of sunscreen, that is SPF 70. And why sun protection factor, SPF per sun protection factor is equal to 4 minutes. So that means 70 SPF into 4 is giving you that many minutes of your sun protection when you are out. So whenever you get SPF sun protection for your foundation or for your sunscreen, always try to get a higher SPF. The higher it is, the more you can be in the sun, and then you again have to reapply it. So this is a very good product. It is matte in finish and it's very like no harm and only protection. I quite like it. Love the packaging, handy है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है. SPF 70 है, so I am going to rebuy and keep on repurchasing it because इससे ज़्यादा SPF अभी तक मुझे कोई अच्छा product दिखा नहीं. If you have any idea about it, let me know in the comments. So I was talking about SPF, and when I was going to the gym today, जो कि मेरे घर के नीचे ही है, but still I would like to use a sunscreen, तब मैं SPF 70 नहीं लगाऊंगी. Then I will use this one. This is by Rene and this is SPF 50 in a spray form. The beauty of this is it's not a watery spray, it's a lotion wala spray, and it comes out really neat. And I love the usage of this, and it has a beautiful fragrance. जब मैंने इसे लगाया मेरे जिम का fragrance के साथ ये mix होकर it came out really well. And I really appreciate Rene making a spray format ka sunscreen. And if you know already, Rene is one of my current favorite makeup beauty brands, and I literally buy everything they launch. So this one is again a great gem. I highly recommend it if you are looking for a sunscreen spray which is not too watery. I know you can see my lips today all in this video. It's shining, it's red because of two products. I'm going to show you one by one. So these two are the products which I'm talking about. This is a lipstick which is absolutely a gem of a lipstick. I'll show you and I'll tell you why. And this is the gloss I've applied over this lipstick. This is actually a gloss, pH balanced one. I have shown this in my Rene video already. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's a beautiful thing if you want to use it for your daily wear. It's very light in color, adjusts as per your pH of the skin. But I today have used it as a gloss and it works beautifully as a gloss too. And an absolute multitasker of a product, highly recommended. This is the product I'm talking about. This is from Amazon, and oh my god, the moment I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. This has a button over here. The moment you press it, the lipstick comes out, and then you take it out, and this is how the product looks like. Take a moment, guys, just have a look at this. It's beautifully engraved and I love it. I love it, and it's beautiful. I have already applied it. I have dented it also a bit, but I totally love it. Highly recommend it for the packaging especially. And oh my god, this is like made of dreams because it's like magic, you know. Yeah, that's how it is. इसका silicon body है तो थोड़ा चिपचिप कर सकता है, but you can clean it up and sort it out. About Rene, I cannot miss this product. Today I'm wearing this again to line my lips. This is a pencil liner. I don't know what to call it. They are calling it Draw 4-in-1 lip liner. So the essentially good part about this is it has 4 colors in one in this pencil format, which we used to use in our childhood. Ample of lip liners I have, but I always end up reaching out to this because of the ease of use and the lovely feature it has of reminding you of those days of school. And I really like it. The finish is good, very beautifully pigmented and very easy to apply. No lagging, no tagging, no jhamela. Just go give this a try. And for the price you pay, you're gonna get 4 different colors. Why not give it a try? Today I'm also wearing this eyeshadow. It's the Mars palette City Paradise variant of Mumbai. So this is called Mumbai Meri Jaan, and it has different others, I think 4 or 5 more variants for different city names. And this is how this palette particularly looks like. It doesn't have a mirror inside, but it's very beautifully packaged with paper cardboard, and it's very like sustainable as well. So इसमें आता है एक bronzer, एक highlighter, एक matte powder और एक blush powder, and ये सारे eyeshadow की shades. So I'm currently wearing this eyeshadow shade. Comes out beautifully, very pigmented. It is all a mix of matte and shimmer shades. I would also like to inform you that what I'm wearing on my cheeks today, Swiss Beauty blush. It is in the shade 03 Coral Candy. Yeah, so I'm wearing this today, and I have done a separate video on this entire range with all the swatches. Go check that video out as well. So let me know which one was your favorite thing. Also I have to show you 2 other products which are not from beauty category, but those are my ultimate favorite and daily का काम हो गया है उनके साथ. One is this. This is a bag from Uppercase, and they have some amazing luggage and carriage bags. So this is essentially a backpack which Amit uses for his office, and he loves it, and so I thought of sharing it with you also. Very utility वाला बैग है ये. इसके ऊपर में एक चेन आती है which is concealed. Then it has this kind of a chain again. इसके अंदर में you have many compartments, right from your laptop bag to your extra space, then your lunch box option. Laptop को lock भी कर देता है ये इसका strap. And then you have another zipper here which is very spacious. You have 2 bottle रखने की जगह, and then पीछे में also you have this amazing strap which you can attach to your suitcase. So, and this has a padding on the shoulder straps, and this has a carriage के लिए ये वाला strap, and it has a hanging के लिए अलग से. They have designed it so well that I'm going to grab a few more things from Uppercase and soon come back in another favorites video maybe, because this one is not keeping me satiated. I'm going to grab more of these kind of products because they are so utility and so good quality. I love it, and शायद मैं भी अमित से कुछ दिनों के लिए चुरा लूँ for any of my work events. And now moving on to the last product जो मेरे पास अभी सामने नहीं है, but you can see it here. It is beautiful. The color, oh my god, there are so many options available in this. एंड आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली ड्रूलिंग. ये खरीद लेने के बाद भी आई एम स्टिल ड्रूलिंग कि क्या मैं मिंट वाला खरीद लूँ, कि क्या मैं येलो वाला खरीद लूँ, कौन सा लूँ और कौन सा ना लूँ. इट्स सो डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज Nasha Miles have done a fantastic job when it comes to designing this particular suitcase. They have different ranges and sizes. So ये वाला काफ़ी बड़ा size है, more than my medium size which I already own, and I quite like them because इसके अंदर में काफ़ी सारे pockets हैं and it makes really easy for you to grab and keep your things very segregated and sectioned, that too inside a suitcase. So that was the video. Let me know which one was your favorite out of all these utility things I have shown you, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's really motivating, and please share this video. And if you want to buy any of these things, go check out the description, सारे links वहाँ पर हैं. And if you have any question, please don't shy away, ask me out, write it in the comments or reach out to me on Instagram. My ID is Not Only Makeup Blog on Instagram. Go ahead, DM me, let's chat, let's be friends, and I will see you super soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.